Hello everybody, we are here in IVV, the Tuscan glass manufacturing company, to talk of the new collections that the company presented in 2020 dedicated to the tabletop. And when we talk of tabletop, we love to talk of mix and match. Mix and match not only glass with glass, but glass with porcelain. And here we have some table setting that wants to show what we mean by mix and match. The first setting I have here is made with our charger Unforgettable, belonging to the range Unforgettable. The name is not by chance because the clear glass is coated with blackboard, the same blackboard we had at school, on which you can write with the normal chalk. And if you're thinking to use it in your house, for example, you could write the name of your guest to make it a real show plate. Or if you are thinking of using in a professional environment, in an hospitality environment like a restaurant, for example, the chef could think of writing the name of the plate of the course he's serving. Under the point of view of the handling and maintenance, it's really easy because the chalk can be easily cleaned with a humid cloth, or you can put it in the dishwasher because it is dishwasher safe. Here we decided to use another item by IVV, that is the Ermes plate. That is a quite large bowl, not that deep, that can be used, for example, to serve a starter, to serve a dessert, to serve a first course. Over it we placed a porcelain plate, small plate, decorated, and then what actually is a glass. This small glass belongs to a line of glasses dedicated to cognac serving. This is the small one. Its name is female, cognac female, to mean the small version. Then there is the male version that is a bit larger. But if we are thinking of using it on the table, it could be used for the mise en bouche or to serve a small starter. Look at the mouth of this glass. The cut is tilted to make it more original. This glass is so minimal, so transparent, and this particular cut gives it a character. As to the glassware, we decided to match this setting with the new Vertigo water tumbler, featured by these circular concentric lines that gives to the tumbler a character but keep it simple, so to be suitable both for elegant and more casual dinings or lunch situations. As to the wine glasses, instead, here we have a white wine glass belonging to the Bolgheri family that we recently presented this year. That is made also by the aged red wine glass and the medium-bodied red wine glass, and also by the champagne glass, the Bolgheri family. Thinking of another setting, always starting from the Unforgettable, we are now presenting a bit more trendy setting using the small size of a trays family designed by Alessandra Baldereschi, an Italian designer from Milano, and this is also included in our 2020 catalog, the Design Studio catalog. The name of the collection is Islands, and the idea behind this family is that of an island with a small house on the top, represented by this small dome that is available in green transparent color, but also in full clear color, always with the house on the top to handle the dome. And by the tray that represents the sea, you see the waves reproduced into the tray, that is available both in clear and in blue color, where the waves are colored in blue. This small tray is meant for an individual use, and as we are proposing it here, to serve, for example, a starter or a dessert plain with the food beneath the cloche and the food out of the cloche. Now let's talk instead of an accessory for the table. Small flower vases are always useful, particularly when tables are small. What you are seeing here is the mini Sophia bag. The Sophia bag is a new line presented as well in 2020 by IVV. It's a vase with the shape of a bag, of a woman's bag, as you can see, with the two handles. The size, as you can see from my hand, is suitable to stay also on a small table, not disturbing the conversation between the two persons having lunch together. It is available also in a colored version, beyond the clear one that you are seeing here. And now let's talk of wine, preferably Italian and Chianti wine, wine from Tuscany. This is the sommelier touch wine decanter. Is the giant component of this line of decanters, because this bottle contains 2 bottles of wines, and it's for aged wine. As all the other components, decanters belonging to the sommelier touch family, it's featured by this hollow where you can put your toe and handle easily the decanter and decanting the wine, particularly if it is aged, and then easily pour into the glass. It is completely manually done and mouth blown by our glass masters. Let's now talk of the last setting. Here we have one of our best-selling chargers, that is the Orizzonte charger, featured by a clear charger, then decorated in gold, hand decorated in gold. That is suitable obviously for a more classical table. We are using it with a white porcelain plate decorated in gold and green that matches quite well with the gold decoration of the charger, and then completing it with this small bowl belonging to the Diamanté line of tabletop by IVV. That is one of the best sellers of IVV ever. This is the individual bowl where you can think of serving a starter, a small salad, a dessert, so for many different type of foods. As to the glassware, linking it to the type of wine we are serving here, we are presenting the Vizio stemware for aged red wines. You see the shape of this balloon that is large and soft and has a shape that allows to decant the wine and allowing the wine to breathe. And then we have the water tumbler belonging to the same family, the Vizio family, that matches well together with it.